March the 30th, I issued an order that closed access to the beaches along our state. Since that time, I have spoken to all of the mayors that are along the coast, or most of the mayors, if not all of them. And today I am canceling that order effective as of noon tomorrow for those beaches, and taking the power of that order off of those governments, so that the decision making returns to those governments in those beaches, those places, to make their own decisions as they did before I issued that order. So we're turning that back over to the mayors and the councils to make their own decision, and that includes the public access, that is the government-owned access to those beaches, as well as to the piers, the docks, the wharfs, or the ramps in those locations. Also, another part of the executive order I'm issuing today, on April the 3rd, I restricted some retail businesses to pick up and delivery only. We closed them for other operations, but encourage them to continue with the pickup and delivery subject to social distancing. And you know this included furniture stores, shoe stores, department stores, music stores, sporting goods stores, craft, flea markets, and florists. As of 5 o'clock today, I am canceling that order, but I also remind those merchants and those customers that the order concerning social distancing is still in place, and they must still do that. And in addition, the restrictions that we had announced earlier on the big box stores and the home supply stores will be in effect on these other retail businesses, and that consists of two rules. One, either 20% of your occupancy, your regular posted occupancy, you can go that high, or 5 customers for every 1,000 square feet in the establishment, whichever is the lesser. So that way, the big box stores and the small retailers as well that had been restricted are restricted now only in that fashion. And back to the beaches for a moment, still in effect is the rule, because this is a state of a declaration of emergency, the rule of law enforcement to dispel groups of 3 or more that are causing a threat to the public health is still in effect anywhere in the state, and of course that includes the beaches. The decision on schools we have not made yet. That will be made in consultation with Superintendent Molly Spearman and the school officials, and we're studying the data, the science, the information that we have, and we'll be making that decision before long. But I urge everyone to remember, we are still in a very serious situation.